Ghosts and spirits, a fascinating concept that transcends cultures and time, captivating the human imagination. From the misty mountains of Asia to the ancient pyramids of Egypt, from the tribal communities of Africa to the modern metropolises of the Western world, nearly every culture has its own unique stories and folklore about the supernatural. These ethereal beings, often depicted as the souls or spirits of the deceased, are a testament to our universal fascination with the unknown, the unseen, and the afterlife. They reflect our deepest fears and curiosities about death, the great beyond, and the possibility of a life after our earthly existence. They inspire both awe and dread, a chilling reminder of our own mortality and the ever-present mystery of what lies beyond. Despite our technological advances and scientific discoveries, our intrigue and fear of these spectral entities remain, making them an enduring part of our cultural fabric. From ancient times to the present day, these spectral entities continue to hold sway over our collective consciousness. Ghostly encounters aren't a modern phenomenon. They trace back to the dawn of civilization. Our ancestors, much like us, were fascinated and unnerved by these ethereal entities. Ancient texts from Egypt, Greece, and Rome are rife with tales of spirits and specters, encounters that both terrified and intrigued. Medieval chronicles, too, are not devoid of the supernatural. Accounts of ghostly knights, spectral maidens, and haunted castles abound, painting a vivid picture of a world intertwined with the spirit realm. These historical accounts are more than just chilling tales meant to scare children around a fire. They are a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown, the unexplainable, the supernatural. They've shaped our understanding of ghosts, influencing our modern-day perception of the spectral and the unseen. From the earliest cave dwellers to the scholars of the Enlightenment, ghosts have been a constant, albeit mysterious, part of our shared human experience. These historical accounts have laid the groundwork for our modern fascination with the supernatural. Fast forward to the present day, the quest to understand these spectral entities has evolved into a scientific pursuit. Just as our ancestors sought answers, we too continue to explore the unexplainable, but with modern technology in our arsenal. In the realm of ghost hunting, a variety of tools are used to capture evidence of the paranormal. One such tool is the electromagnetic field meter, or EMF meter. This device measures fluctuations in the electromagnetic field, thought to be influenced by the presence of spirits. When the dial spikes, it might just be a ghostly visitor making their presence known. Then there's the electronic voice phenomenon, or EVP. Paranormal investigators use digital recorders to capture these disembodied voices, often heard only upon playback. The voices, whispers, and sounds caught are believed to be communications from the spirit world. Infrared thermometers are another staple in the ghost hunter's toolkit. It's said that ghosts can cause sudden drops in temperature, and these devices can detect these cold spots in real time. Motion sensors too play a crucial role. Paranormal activity is often associated with the movement of objects. A strategically placed motion sensor can alert investigators to unseen activity in the vicinity. But let's not forget the orbs that sometimes appear in photography. These glowing circles are often seen as potential evidence of ghostly manifestation, though skeptics would argue they're merely dust particles or lens flares. And speaking of skeptics, it's worth noting that these methods and tools are not without controversy. Critics argue that there's a lack of scientific backing, that these practices are based more on belief than empirical evidence. Some even suggest that these tools merely amplify our own psychological tendencies to seek patterns and make sense of the unknown. But then, isn't that the essence of exploration? To question, to probe, to seek answers where there seem to be none. The debate around these techniques only fuels the fire of curiosity, prompting us to delve deeper into the uncharted territories of the paranormal. Regardless of the skepticism, the quest for understanding the unknown continues. Whether we're believers or skeptics, the allure of the ghostly unknown continues to captivate our collective imaginations, driving us forward in this modern-day ghost hunt. Despite cultural differences, it's intriguing to find common themes in ghost stories worldwide. This universal tapestry of spectral narratives weaves together threads of shared human experiences and fears. From east to west, north to south, one of the most prevalent themes is the White Lady legends. These spectral women, often associated with tragedy or betrayal, are said to appear in white or grey attire. Their stories, although varied, carry a common thread of loss and regret, echoing a universal human fear of unresolved issues and betrayals. Another shared motif is that of residual hauntings, a phenomenon where ghosts replay certain events or emotions like a loop. This concept transcends cultural borders, suggesting a universal curiosity about the past and a deep-rooted fear of being trapped in a never-ending cycle of regret. Then there's the intriguing theme of spirits with unfinished business. The notion of lingering attachments, be it unfulfilled dreams, unrequited love, or unresolved conflicts, is a common one. It resonates with our inherent fear of leaving things incomplete or unresolved, emphasizing the human need for closure. These shared themes in ghost stories highlight our collective fascination with the unknown. They reflect our shared fears, hopes, and curiosities, painting a picture of our common human experience. These stories may vary in their details, but they all echo the same sentiment: the desire to understand what lies beyond the veil of death. These shared themes show us that, regardless of culture, our fascination with the unknown is a shared human experience. From ancient beliefs to modern ghost hunting, the allure of the supernatural transcends time and space. We've journeyed through a spectral timeline, exploring the universal belief in ghosts and spirits that pervades every corner of our world. From the mysterious apparitions reported throughout history, we've seen how these ghostly encounters have left indelible marks on human consciousness, shaping our stories, our myths, and our fears. We've delved into the world of modern ghost hunting, where the veil between the living and the dead is probed with an array of technological tools. From the unsettling whispers of electronic voice phenomena to the elusive orbs caught in a camera's flash, these investigations continually seek to bring empirical evidence to the ethereal. And yet, despite the varied cultural contexts in which these ghosts and spirits emerge, we've seen striking similarities. The White Lady archetype, the mischievous poltergeist, the residual haunting stuck in a loop. These narratives, though born from diverse traditions, share common themes of unresolved business, lingering attachments, and desperate attempts at communication from beyond the grave. These cross-cultural parallels remind us that irrespective of our geography or our era, the human fascination with death, with what lies beyond, is universal. It's a curiosity that has remained constant, a thread that weaves through the tapestry of our collective human experience. Whether real or imagined, ghosts and spirits continue to captivate us, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown